Hi, I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute. It's Friday, June 19th, 2020. Today also marks a jubilant time in history when the enslaved finally gained their freedom 155 years ago in 1865. Here's to Juneteenth. In Maryland real estate news, there are 963 listings coming soon. That's up 12% since my last week's report. 1,698 are newly active. 879 went under contract. 1,478 are newly pending, and 1,413 just closed. Properties remain high. 1,639 are listed, but still hidden from buyers. Sellers are seeing multiple offers, and properties are selling at an average of 13.5% over list price. Many folks have asked me, well, what prices are selling? Is it only the lower price brackets? No. While the majority of the homes that have sold over the last 30 days have been priced $750 and under, many of the higher price brackets are selling, and selling rather quickly. In fact, 331 homes priced over $750,000 up to a $1.25 million sold in an average of 40 days. 82 homes priced at $1.25 million and above sold in an average of 48 days. The highest priced property recently sold last week for $3,750,000 in just 18 days and was located right here in Annapolis. That's your Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 19th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share to get all the Maryland real estate market updates. Thanks so much for watching. Have a super weekend and stay safe.